start with our alphabet unit. Alright, I is for
Initial.
F stands for
Final.
What is my initial letter?
A.
A. What is final? Z
Z.
is what are the two letters in the middle?
M.
How many letters in the alphabet?
26.
And it's made up of?
Vowel consonants.
Alright, let's touch the name. Ready? A,
A.
B, C, D, E, F, G,
H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.
Okay. Alright, we're going to do our alphabet semicircle. River and Garrett, I want y'all to work together on River's desk with it, and I'm going to work with Lamont on it. Okay? What letter are we going to start with?
A.
A. And what two letters are we going to put up here at the top?
M.
M and N. So let's go ahead and do that. And what's going to be our letter down at the bottom? The last letter. We're going
Z.
to Z. So let's go ahead and do our anchor letters, and then we're going to fill it in, okay? Flip them all over so you can see them. Look at your thing. Let it help you. You can use your alphabet hint to help you. So where does he go? Now check. Does I come before K? Yes, but does J? Let's just go to the next one. It's good that you don't open six. Alright. Y'all done? Did you go back and check it with your alphabet hint to make sure that was all right? Is that E? Is it facing? Okay, let's check them real fast. All right, ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, you can pick those up. mean? Sequence means order. Order. Okay, like we have our alphabetical order. They're in alphabetical order. All right, complete this sequence. V. V. What comes next? W. X. Okay. All right, you can stop there. All right, ready? All right. G. S. H. Alright. Now you're going to give me keyword and sound. Ready?
Georgia, fish, feet, dog, octopus, elephant,
Ed.
table, king, book, moon, cake, athlete,
E.
pig, bat, mop, shell, socks, nose, truck, cup, cities, church, apple, watch, gate, go, mother, umbrella, leaf, rabbit, kite, hat, 5 rope, mule.
Okay. Alright, moving on to our new learning. Okay. Alright. Let's start off by doing our concept. What does this mean? Base word. Okay, and it's the simplest form of a English word. Okay. This means it's at the end. Suffix. Okay. Suffix is added to the end of the base word to change the meaning. Okay.
Base word plus suffix
Equals
derivative.
derivative. Okay.
Consonant suffix, vowel suffix.
Okay. Now this is something new that we're learning today. Today we're learning prefix. Okay. Notice that this is the beginning. Prefix is at the beginning. Okay. That's what we're learning today. So I'm going to write some words on the board. Pre-game, pre-cook, no, and pre-fix. prefix do you think we're learning today? Pre, okay? Okay, so that's what we're learning. So, when we look at this, what do you think that means? Pre.
You're about to do it? Or you
Means
already-
before,
Yeah.
okay? So, when we see pre, we're going to box in our prefix, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so let's say these, ready? Pre-game, pre-cook, prefix, okay? So pre is the first one we're learning. What does it mean? Before, okay? And I want you to also notice that pre is before the what? Base word, okay? Alright, let's look at some other ones. Okay. Miss took misled misspell. Okay. Looking at these words, what prefix are we learning? Miss. Okay.
You box it in.
And we're going to box it in because it's a prefix. Now, something else I want to say. Alright, when we did our suffix, we looked at the first letter to tell if it was a consonant or a vowel suffix, or okay? So this is prefix, and we're going to look at the last letter. So this is, what is this letter? S. So, is it going to be a consonant prefix or a vowel?
Vowel.
What is
Consonant.
Consonant suffix. So I'm going to go back to pre. What would pre be?
Vowel.
Vowel, because it ends in E. So this pre is a vowel prefix, and miss is a consonant prefix. Okay? Alright. And miss, what would miss mean? What do you think?
Just missed it.
You missed it. Okay? Alright. Alright. Alright, let's look at our next one. Look at these words. Unlock. Unbelt. And unsafe. Okay? Alright, so we're learning in this one, and we're going to box it in when we see it. It's a suffix, it's a consonant prefix because it ends in a consonant. If we unlock something, means we're not, okay, not locking it, okay, or you're undoing it,
You're about to go in it.
okay, you didn't do it. Alright, and when we call a suffix and a prefix are called affixes. Say that. Prefix and suffix are called affixes. Okay. Alright, get out your workbook so we can code some words first. I don't know what page. Just get that one. syllable short, we code it with 3. A vowel and an open accented syllable is long, we code it with a macron. Adjacent and like vowels make one sound, okay? And vowel, consonant E, we cross out the E, and the vowel is long, we code it with a macron. Yeah. Alright, so let's look at the but we're not going to see that right now. Okay? Alright, let's look at the first word, first line.
Mistrust.
Okay? And what I want us to do, instead of coding the whole word, let's just box in our prefixes. And let's say if it's a consonant prefix or a vowel prefix. Okay? So what's this one? Is this a vowel or consonant prefix?
Consonant.
Consonant, okay? Go to the next one. Alright, we're going to box in prefix. Is it a consonant prefix or vowel prefix?
Vowel.
Consonant. Alright, let's read the word. Misfit. Misfit. Alright, line 2. Lamont, I want you to read me line 2. River, line 3. And Garrett, line 4. Okay?
Wait, Miss Sarah, what if there's two Jason like consonants on this?
No, because that's part of the next word. See, that spell is your base word, and this is your, that's your prefix, okay? She's in Miss Yolanda's room. Okay, alright, Lamont, read me your word.
Miss two.
And what's this one?
Miss tight.
Good job. Alright, Garrett, River, line 3.
Missile.
Misled.
Misled. Misspell.
Misspell. Okay, Garrett.
Misname. Misstep.
Okay. Alright. Let's do the next section.
Code.
Yeah, I think y'all could do it. Lamont, you want to do line 1, Garrett line 2, and River line 3.
Yes, ma'am. Look, there's that F on the prefix. And let's go back to fix it.
You're just on, so you just use it. Not slicks. Okay, Lamont, read yours.
Unstick.
Okay, River. No, you have line 2, Garrett.
Uncap. Unsweat. Unswept.
Unswept. Okay, River.
Undress. Unhook.
Okay, yep, good job. Alright, moving to our learned words.
So we go to the next page or something?
No, not yet. Remember, I've got my cards here. Okay? Alright, so we're learning some new learned words. Alright, let's review a sentence real fast. What does a sentence mean? What's a sentence? Starts with a capital,
Capital, yeah.
letter ends with a
Punctuation.
punctuation, and has a subject and a
Predicate.
and
it makes a complete thought.
expresses a complete thought. Okay, keep that in mind. Alright. Okay, let me read through these words and then you can come back and read with me. Ready? Me. Let me say it, then you say it. Me.
Me.
Back.
Back.
Give.
Give.
Most.
Most.
very,
very,
after,
after,
thing,
thing,
hour,
just,
name.
name,
Okay, let's do them together now. Me,
me,
back, give, most, very, after, thing, hour, just, name. Alright, I'm going to make a sentence. I want y'all to see, I've got two learned words in this sentence, okay?
So those were all in new ones.
Yes.
Those were my words.
The new ones that we just learned, yeah. Okay? Alright, I'm going to write a sentence on the board, and I want you to find the words in it, okay?
This one. What sentence?
The one I'm writing on the board.
What page is that?
No, I'm writing it on the board. It's not in your book. Okay? Alright. Our last name is Smith. Someone find me two learned words that we just learned for that. Come on, give me one.
Alan took.
No, we didn't took. Our last name is Smith.
Or last. I mean,
No, we didn't.
last.
No, we didn't learn that one.
Oh,
River.
that was
Let River go. Name. Name. Okay? So we learned our and name. Okay? Alright. Alright. Now we're going to move to coding our sentences. Y'all turn one page over.
Yes, sir.
Alright. We just reviewed a sentence and what it was. I'm going to write it up here at the top so you won't forget.
Yes, sir. Do you want to write the learned words?
Yeah, I
down
will.
too?
Our learned words are to, the, you, from, were, your, was, lunch today, and do. Okay? And what do we do to our learned words? We,
Circle.
because we need to learn, we need to know them in an instant. Okay?
If there's
They're learned, we've already learned them.
But if there's anything in it, you just start doing
Can I
it
do
yourself.
that? Okay, just saying. Alright, something else you might see is diagram OO. And if it's like is it gonna be a mega breathe or a mega macron? Breathe. Okay? And if it's like ooh, like moon, mega macron. Okay? And if A comes after W, the diaresis. Okay? Alright. And I really want you just to be coding the prefixes. Okay? And then I want you to read the sentence to me. So Lamont, you can do number 1. River, you can do number 2, and Garrett, you can do number 3.
Can I read?
Not yet. Wait a minute.
Is A blue one?
No.
What's this?
No. We have vowel consonant E. What is that vowel? Long or short? yours was? No, the last thing right there is up here, the question mark. Okay, so you're gonna say it like a question, like you're asking a question, okay? River, are you ready? River. Garrett, are you ready? River, are you ready? Alright, Lamont, read your sentence.
Is it unsafe to run 10 miles in the hot sun?
Okay. Alright, River.
To reach the drops, you must unhook them for the rod.
Okay, go back. To wash the drapes,
Drapes,
you must
unhook them for
from
the rod.
rod. Yes. Alright, Garrett.
The
Bride.
and groom hope this is not a mistake.
Okay. Alright, go to your right pages. Which will be the next page. Should be right there in front of you. Alright, what do you notice about these words? Look at them.
It has misled. It has misled.
All of them start with what? With the
Yes.
no. Look at the beginning of it. What do they start with?
M.
Not with M.
Prefix.
You said the prefix. What prefix do they all start with?
Wait, okay. Miss.
This. Okay. All right. Ready? I'm gonna read. Then you read. Misled.
Misled.
Misfit.
Misfit.
Misstep.
Misstep.
Miscast.
Miscast.
Mishap.
Mishap.
Next section. Misuse.
Misuse.
Misdeed.
Misdeed.
Misdate.
Mistake.
Misfile.
Misfire.
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 Okay. Last section. Lamont, go. First line.
Misled.
Misled.
Misled. Mishap.
Mishap.
Mishap. Miscap.
Miscast.
Miscast. Misdast.
Misdate.
Mistake. Misfire.
Misfire. Good job. All right. River. Next line.
Misfire.
Misfit.
Misfit.
Use.
Misuse. Misdeed. Miscat.
Mm-hmm.
Mishap.
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 Okay. Garrett.
Mistake. Misdeed. Misfile. Mistip.
Misstep.
Misstep. Misuse.
Okay. All right. Go to the next page.
Yes, ma'am.
What do y'all notice about these words?
They
They all start with what?
Prefix.
What prefix do they all start with?
on.
Okay. All right. Ready? I'm gonna read. You read after me. Unfed.
Unfed.
Undid.
Undid.
Uncap.
Uncap.
Undot.
Undot.
Unmap.
Unmap.
Next section. Unripe.
Unripe.
Undate.
Undate.
Unline.
Unline.
Uncode.
Uncode.
Unshade.
Unshade.
Garrett, start with the first line and last section.
Unfed. Unmat. Undot. Unline. Unshade.
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 River.
Undid. Unwrap.
Ripe.
Unripe. Undate. Undot. Unmat.
Mm-hmm. Lamont.
Unliam.
Unline.
Unline. Undate.
means you uncap. So I,
Like a Coke bottle, like one of
Undid
those
it.
old Coke bottles, Kathy.
yeah, you uncap it, okay? Alright, say this word, misstep.
Misstep.
Someone tell me what misstep would mean. River?
Misstep. You missed a step.
You missed a step, you stepped wrongly, okay? Alright, you can put your workbooks up right now and get out your board and we're going to do our spelling bee.
The marker board.
Yeah, Mark. Alright, y'all are going to look and listen, echo after me, and then name and write, okay?
Are we doing sentence? Oh.
No, just the sound. Ready? Okay. E.
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 I. Yeah. Diagram TH.
Comma.
S.
S. G.
G.
Ju.
J.
W.
What?
Use your alphabet pen if you're not for sure how to write it on the red side. B.
B. F.
A. Comma.
K.
A. What else would make the A sound? Maybe after W.
A.
A. S.
S.
Final position. Floss rule. Remember the floss rule? Final position. S.
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 Oh,
S.
S.
S. U.
U. Diagram below.
Paragraph.
Diagram TH.
Remember to echo. E.
E.
L.
Diagram NG.
Comma.
Yes.
N.
In.
D.
D. D. Sorry, that's right. K.
Comma.
Comma.
C. Final position.
Wait. D. Comma. Say the word again, I'm sorry. K.
K.
Comma.
Comma. C. Final position. What did you just say?
TC.
CK. Comma.
S.
K. K can come in final position or first position.
Okay, wait. Then comma K. T. Wait. B. Okay.
M. N.
In.
E.
E.
Diagram
Diagram E.
E. Comma.
Comma.
E. Consonant. Addition. Trigraph.
Trigraph. TCH.
And
Wait. TCH. And digraph.
trigraph.
Trigraph.
TCH. And digraph. CH. Ooh.
Wait. C.
O.
Oh. Digraph. O.
Ooh. Digraph. OO. One with the mega microphone.
Shh. Digraph CH. B. Digraph SH.
I. Consonant.
Consonant E.
A.
A. Consonant
E.
E. Yeah.
Yep. Good job.
Consonant. Okay, I need something to erase this.
Alright, you all go ahead and get out your student folder. Put your boards up. You'll move on to numerical awareness. Okay, orange. Ready? Get your mirror ready too. Okay, you're gonna look and listen. Echo, echo in your mirror. Move your mouth pieces, and then we'll replace. Okay. All right, ready? Let's review first. Lip puffer. B. Tongue tapper. D. Back kicker. G. Lip chiller. V. Tongue chiller. Okay, thin string. Z. Fat string. Sh. Front nasal. Mid nasal. Back nasal. Long. Round air. W. Panting air. Okay, front curler. L. Side curler. R. Fat puff. J. And ch. Okay. Smiling vowel. E. 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 E.
Sorry.
A. A. Open vowel. A. Okay. Round. U. Ooh. And O. Okay. Ready? Listen to this sound. S. N. D.
Wait.
Echo me first. N. D. Now do it in your mirror. N. D. Now move your mouth cord. N. D. N. No, paint your nose. So what would it be? I know. So what would it be?
I know he needs to kill us know what they were.
Okay. You should have thin strings, mid nasal and tongue capper d. Replace. Okay. Your next one is ready.
This one.
Mirrors.
Like the two O's, this area? I'm sorry.
for the inventory is with our changes. So you look and listen, echo, unblend. Okay, we'll move our mouth pictures. Add, take away, trade, switch, repeat. Okay? This word is sack. Say the word.
Sack.
Sack. Okay? So let's move our cards. We need to leave a little room for when we add new cards.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
Leave a little room in the front so when you add a new card. Okay, ready? Okay. So now your next word is snack. Say the word. No, look at me. Say the word first. Snack. Look. So we need to add a sound.
We have to add on.
So now we have okay, snack. Now your next word is snook. Say the word. Snook. Cover it up so we'll get a new sound. This is the one I need to replace. Okay. Ready? Okay. All right. Next word. Nook. Say the word. Nook. Okay. Let me take this one back.
Nook.
Nook. Now ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Our last one. Book. Say the word. Cook. Okay.
Thin string.
Look at me. Stop. That's right. Leave that right there. This is we're changing it to B. Lip puffer. So let's read. Okay. All right. Ready?
Yes,
What did I trade out?
Midnight.
For lip puffer. B. Okay. Replace. Keep your sound folders out. And we're gonna move on to spelling.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, I didn't actually. All right. Let me get back this straight here. Okay. All right. We're gonna be spelling with derivatives. No, come on. Let's do it. Okay.
With the mirrors.
No, you won't read your Okay. Yes, River. All right. I'm about running out of room here. All right. Okay. All right. So we're going to spell. We're going to look and listen, echo, unblend, and then we're going to move our mouth cards. Okay.
Can we write on the
Hold on. Wrong one. Sorry. I was right first one. Look and listen. Echo, unblend, and pull our mouth pictures. We're going to identify the base word. Okay. and the suffix. Make a decision on which, if it's got a suffix or not, and then we're going to touch and spell, name and write, code and read. Okay?
Wait, Miss Sarah, can we use this for right?
Get out a piece of paper. Here, just give me yours, Garrett, and I'll get paper out of it.
Miss Lori Warlock, come to the office.
I got this. I got one, Miss Sarah.
Alright, so ready? Your first word is, ready?
Yes.
Alright, your first word is frosting. Say the word.
Frosting.
Ding. Okay. Ready? No, stop, stop. Unblend. All, ing. Okay. Now that ing, remember which one is going to be our base word? Ing or frost? Frost. And ing is our suffix. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's unblend frost. Okay. Okay. Ready? Hurry. Hurry. Okay. So now let's touch and spell. F R O S T.
Sarah, you put a smiley down. I'm like, I'm wrong.
Mhm.
I know, but you put the.
I know I changed them.
And
All right.
you got
Ready? So now let's name and write. So let's write on our paper. Okay. Now, hold on. Now, what did we say? That was our base word. And what's our suffix? Ing. And how are we going to spell that?
ING.
I-N-G. Okay. Now, let's code. Box in.
Suffix ING.
Suffix ing. Come back. Now, read the word. Frosting. Frosting. Okay? Alright. Next word
Do you want us
is.
to replace them?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
This last one?
Hmm.
This last one?
Ready? Bending. Is that the word? Bending. Alright. Down. Alright. B-E-N-D-ing. Okay? Now, bend or ing is going to be our base word. Bend. So let's do it with our chart.
Wait, buck?
Buck.
People follow?
Ready?
B.
Run out of time. Ready?
B.
B, N, D. Now let's go back to our letters. B, E, N, D. Now let's write that. We'll write it up here. B, E, N, D. And recitation sentence. Ready?
Yes, sir.
I know, I keep falling. It's okay. Alright, ready? Listen to me. I'm going to say it. You're going to say it. I'm going to say it one more time. I'm going to go like this, and I want you to write. Okay? Ready? The frog jumped in the pond.
The frog jumped in the pond.
The frog jumped in the pond.
Wait, sir.
Hurry.
I'm trying. Jumped.
Jumped. Ready? The frog okay, I'm gonna stop right there. What is gonna go at the end of jump? It's gonna be a suffix, and it's gonna be what suffix?
U-S.
No.
Wait, oh, suffix. I-N-G.
Nope. Jumped.
T.
Not a T. This is our base word, and we're adding a suffix.
E. E.
E what?
E. Consonant.
D. E. D.
I forgot about that.
Jumped in
I thought you said
the-
jumped.
Hold on, I did say jumped. Now, what did we learn? We learned it a few weeks ago. Remember when this is voiced or unvoiced? It depends on what sound this makes.
Uh-huh.
Now let's check P. It's unvoiced, isn't it? So it's going to make the t sound.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
We
Let's
gotta split it.
okay. All right. Let's review. What did y'all learn today?
That we learned it.
We learned prefixes. What kind of prefixes did we learn?
You miss
And first one we learned was pre. Okay, and we know prefixes go before the base word. They go before the base word. Okay. What did we learn in our spelling? We went back and we reviewed something in our spelling. We didn't do prefixes. We did.
Open that.
No. What did we do? Bending. What is ing?
E-I-N-G.